gosh, it's finally here! Zephyr, come quick!
Whoa, what's this? Huh, it smells like a 3D printer.
This is the Bambu X1 Carbon. Everyone's been talking about this printer lately. I thought we could try it out.
Let's unbox the printer and we'll see if it lives up to the hype. I like that the printer came pre-assembled. It took less than an hour to set up and start our first print. The instructions are very clear. And there are stickers everywhere so you don't unscrew the wrong things. It was so simple, even Nova could figure it out.
Aw, thanks, Zephyr.
Alright, assembly complete.
That metal case looks really cool. Let's put a magnet on it. Oh, it's not magnetic.
Don't tell me you want to send it back now.
What? No way. I don't care what it looks like. Let's see how well it prints. Wow, look at that speed. That's crazy fast.
Well, any printer can print fast. The real question is, can it print fast while maintaining print quality? Here I've printed some hexagon infill. The default print settings are on the right, and on the left is printing at slow speeds. It looks like we get a noticeable increase in quality just by slowing the printer down from the default settings. So the printer's definitely fast, but it does come at some cost in quality. What else is special about this printer?
Oh, I know. The Bambu makes a lot of interesting sounds. That's unique, right?
Being loud is not a good thing?
Oh, I haven't even shown you the coolest feature yet. Multicolor printing.
Again, I hate to burst your bubble, but multicolor 3D printers have existed for a while now.
I know, but this printer poops. Here, I'll show you. At 0.3mm layer height, this print only took 21 hours. And it looks awesome! Well, sort of. I messed up the supports a bit. But that's not the printer's fault.
Okay, but what does this have to do with poop?
Check out all this purge waste. The Bambu poops it out the back every time it changes color.
Ugh, gross. But there were more than 500 filament swaps in this print, and it didn't mess up a single time. That is quite impressive. So, I have to ask, why'd you print Kid Boo from Dragon Ball Z?
It's a pun! Boo on the Bambu!
Haha, so funny.
Overall, I really like this printer. It worked straight out of the box, and we didn't run into any issues whatsoever. That alone makes it worth the hype, in my opinion.
I will admit, the first impression does seem favorable, but we'll have to do a proper review in a future video.
Is there anything you want to print?
Actually, yeah, I know exactly what to print.
Ooh, I love it!
Thanks for watching our video. You can find links to all the items we printed in the description below.
See you next time. Bye!